Everyone will be amazed by this movie. The unthinkable has come true. The date that the meeting between Ripple and the SEC will end has been made public. What's the most interesting part? Everybody is sure that Ripple will be successful. Isn't that pretty cool? From here on out, things only get more interesting. A lot of people think that the XRP Ripple coin will soon be worth $500. You really can't miss it. Let's start right away. Nota bene. In the world of cryptocurrencies, the case between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission is one of the most important ones. As new things happen, a lot of people think we are closer than ever to making a deal. In a recent tweet, Lindsay said it very well. The case with the SEC is no longer important. Many people in the XRP community don't care as much about the noise now that things are going Ripple's way. There has been a big change at the SEC that points to a new way of regulating crypto. Jorge Tenredo, who was the SEC's main lawsuit lawyer and played a big role in the cases against Ripple and Coinbase, has been moved to the IT division of the agency. This move hints that the SEC may be less strict with crypto companies going forward. Mark Ueda has been made acting chair of the SEC by Donald Trump, the 47th president. He takes over for Gary Gensler, who Trump doesn't like. Gensler has been attacked by crypto fans for having too many rules. People think that Ueda has a more fair view. A group that supports cryptocurrencies is making clear rules for them right now. They are led by Commissioner Hester Pierce, who is known as Crypto Mom for her positive view on digital assets. Crypto Barbie sent out a tweet about a significant meeting in Washington, D.C., where the SEC, led by acting chairman Mark Ueda, talked about ways to help American businesses. Yesterday, this meeting took place. Ripple is an American company. The time has come for XRP to do well. A lot of people think the case is over now that the SEC's website has been updated. The Court of Appeals has now heard the Ripple case, which means that the case is still being heard in court. A lot of people are hoping that a deal will be made soon. Lord XRP told it like it was. You can choose to settle down whenever you want. Crypto Geek is one of those people who thinks the fight is almost over. Click like if you're glad the SEC and Ripple case is over this month. As of soon, the SEC will have new leaders and better rules, which is good news for XRP. The price of XRP could go up a lot if a deal is reached or if the SEC drops its appeal. The market has responded well to recent events. A good outcome could make Ripple an even more important player in the world. The SEC is now run by Mark Ueda, and Hester Pierce is pushing for stricter rules on cryptocurrencies. This could mean that XRP is about to make a big step forward. The SEC and Ripple may no longer be at odds with each other. XRP users will be ready for that time when it comes. Isn't it fun? But wait, this is just the beginning. You might think the court case is over, but what happens next will shock you. It's likely that XRP will win the case, and its value will likely go up a lot. You will be amazed by what the top crypto experts say about prices. XRP is once again a big deal in the world of cryptocurrencies. A few people think the asset is just going with the flow of the market, while others think there is something more planned. In a recent tweet, Coach JV talked about how he felt. One of the most talked about coins right now is XRP. Why isn't the price going up if so many people want it? A Texan said something interesting. Anyone think that XRP is being held back on purpose to get us to sell? I really think this is true. Hold on. People have talked about this idea for a long time. Big businesses are changing their prices to get normal investors to leave before they raise prices a lot. There are good reasons for XRP to hit $3 again, but it is hard to do so. You should give this idea some thought. The good mood got even better with Jack the Rippler. You'll become a multi-millionaire before anyone else in your group does. It's a big claim, but a lot of people who use XRP hope it comes true. How high can XRP go? Some of the latest predictions are really scary. After the market dropped a lot in February, XRP hit its lowest point of the year, below $3. It then rose back up to above $2. This has made a lot of people think about what to do next. The long-term future looks very bright, according to crypto experts and AI models. CryptoGeeks post, $137 in XRP by the 28th of February, was one of the most shocking things I heard. If that timetable is right, it would be one of the biggest price jumps in the history of cryptocurrencies. AI says that the value of XRP will steadily but significantly rise. Prices could go up to $10 if the crypto market goes up again, more people use Ripple payments, and rules become clearer. For $50 to happen, XRP needs to be the best way to send money across borders, build stronger ties with banks, and help the cryptocurrency market hit more than $10 trillion in value. If XRP hits $100, it could become an important way to send money around the world, competing with SWIFT and other standard banking systems. The cost might even go up to $500 or more. At this level, a lot of big banks and maybe an XRP ETF, which has been filed for more than once, would need to join. The main point of the talk about XRP is a key question. Does someone want to keep the price low, or is it just waiting for the right time to go up quickly? There is one thing that is always true. There's more to XRP than meets the eye. There are strong ties between this project and organizations, a clear goal, and a court case that could change the rules for cryptocurrencies in the future. If the denial theory is right, then the most sure of themselves people may be the happy in the long run. It seems impossible, doesn't it? Things get even more interesting though. Partners are very important to Ripple's growth, as we've seen before. And believe me, what's going on behind the scenes will amaze you. There's more to XRP than meets the eye. It is getting ready to take over the banks in a quiet way. You should pay attention to this because it's the best sign we've ever seen. Ripple is more than just a small change in the world of business. A lot of banks are using it more and more these days. Just look at what's going on in Japan. Ripple's technology is becoming very famous there. One reason is to improve money moves between countries. It shows that the bank thinks XRP will be useful in future banking systems. There's a lot more to the rise than just sending money home. This changes everything about how you can send money abroad, making it much faster and cheaper. It's more important than ever to be quick and save money right now, when banks and other financial companies are having trouble being efficient. Your payment is confirmed before you even finish reading this because XRP is so fast. John Squire was right on the mark with his tweet. The banks are excited to use Ripple's solutions because of this technology. A third party connected XRP to the SWIFT network, which means that more than 11,000 banks might be able to send money in split second. A chance that you can't miss. As Jack the Rippler explained, being able to send money instantly through a large network of banks could change how foreign payments are made, which would make XRP much more valuable. What's cool is that Ripple is starting to set off a chain reaction. SBI Remit has already been using XRP in Southeast Asia to send money to other countries very quickly and cheaply. With SBI Shinsei Bank growing, it looks like Ripple's success in Japan could be used as a model for success around the world. Matt from Multipliers says that this partnership shows that banks are only just starting to use blockchain technology. He also says that Ripple will be a major player in this global shift. XRP does more than just speed up payments. It's also very important in the new field of tokenizing assets. Ripple's technology is a good way to link traditional finance with open finance as banks start to turn real-world assets into tokens. The value of XRP could go up if foreign organizations start to use it for these tokenized trades. This change could also make XRP more useful. Simply put, XRP could become much more valuable if more people around the world start to use Ripple's technology and it. There are more businesses taking part. The use of blockchain to make transfers faster and cheaper in developed countries like Japan will make more people want to buy XRP. XRP could quickly go from being a niche digital asset to an important part of global banking as banks start to use tokenized assets and enter new markets. Because it makes transfers quick, safe, and cheap, XRP is quickly becoming an important part of the future banking system. The value of XRP could go up a lot if this trend continues and Ripple's technology spreads to more countries. The next big group of people to use XRP is likely to be banks and other financial firms, especially in places like Japan. This could make its value go up a lot. There is no longer a chance for global adoption, it is already happening. For buyers who want to make the most of this change, now is a great time. Right then, the whales did something. People in the real world quickly bought hundreds of millions of XRP when they became worried about the market drop. They know a big event is coming up. The fact that this was bought by chance is a strong sign that smart buyers can't miss. Why are people buying such big things? Even more important, what does it mean for the price of XR?